Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this water marble gradient using the Holo Dark Rainbow collection, which I did receive as PR. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I am layering base coats once again, starting off with Holo Peely Base, and on top of that I'll be applying Holo Long Lasting Base. For my base color today, I'm going to be using one coat black, and then I'm going to be using all the colors of the Dark Rainbow collection. The orange is Burnt Bridges. The yellow is Amber Apathy. The green is Lost in the Woods. The blue is Sunken Secrets. The purple is Violet Nightmares. The magenta is Dead Petals. And the red is Crimson Void. And once I get the base color applied, I'm going to be using 3 of these colors on each nail in the water marble. Now that I've got my base color applied, I'm going to go ahead and protect around my nails. I'm going to be using tape as well as liquid latex. As usual for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. I'm going to be using 3 different colors on each nail to create the bullseye. I'm going to make sure the edges are anchored to the side of the cup. That'll make sure that the bullseye doesn't move once I start drawing in it. Then I'm going to be drawing in a flower with 8 petals. Once the design is done, I'm going to make sure that the middle is cleaned up. And then for this manicure, I'm actually going to be a double dip with both hands. Which is a little bit tricky. If you're not comfortable with it, you can certainly just go ahead and do one hand at a time. But I'm going to line up my thumbs next to each other and then go ahead and dip. Now, since I'm using both hands, I obviously don't have a third hand for the orange stick. So the trick is to use the tape and latex on my fingers to do enough cleanup to get the nail out without getting anything extra stuck on the design. And there are the water marbles. I'm going to go ahead and remove the protection. I'll finish cleaning that out before the next nail, and we'll move along to the next set of colors. after cleanup, one more thing we want to check is for any bubbles. You can see one here on my middle nail and a couple on my pinky. And I'm just going to take my orange stick and very gently press those as flat as I can, trying to get any air out of them before applying the top coat. Finally, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I wanted to do a water marble that was a little bit different than what I'd done for the first two rainbow collections, where I had all 7 colors on each nail. And I think that the gradient effect that this cascading choice of colors created is really neat. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so that you can fully appreciate the holo. And if you'd like to see my unboxing of this collection, as well as my first impressions and the extended tutorial for this manicure, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.